That's out. Yes, it's all over this time. Lost his nerve in the end, and Michael Holan tried to swing that straight.
Amidst the anguish of coronavirus pandemic, we decided to bring in some moments from the history of sports today in this video that could help bring in smile on our face. That is, celebrating the 37th anniversary of the cricketing history of 1983 World Cup that gave India's cricket a new identity. Exactly 37 years ago on this day, and coincidentally it was also a Thursday, when Kapil Dev registered an epochal World Cup win at the Lords, defeating West Indies. Leading the Indian team, the master all-rounder Kapil Dev gave some brilliant cricketing moments that remain etched in the memory and vision of those who were a witness to the grand match and a prize ceremony through television and radio, the only medium to keep fans happy. But this Prudential Cup final of 1983 wouldn't have been in the sparkling pages of history had it not been for Kapil Dev's record innings against Zimbabwe in the group rounds. On a Saturday on 8 June 1983, India's World Cup campaign had definitely reached a crossroads. India were 9 for 4 when Kapil Dev arrived at the crease. What followed was unbelievable. Kapil Dev's innings at Tunbridge Wells turned the course of the tournament. The damage that India started unleashing on Zimbabwe started after just 2 deliveries. Peter Rawson dismissing Sunil Gavaskar without a run on the board. Chris Srikanth also departed and India were 9 for 4. Then Yashpal Sharma was out, caught behind to make India 17 for 5. It was here that the Hurricane all-rounder showed his mettle. With partner Raghav Beni and Ravi Shastri, Dev kept adding runs, and at the end of 26th over, Kapil Dev reached 50. But the next 50 were in 13 overs and the third in just 10 overs. With Madan Lal and Kirmani, Dev's unbeaten 175 catapulted India's total to 266 for 8, 16 fours and 6 sixes in 138 ball innings. Strike rate 126.81. India won by 31 runs, and that was the turning point. Kapil Dev changed the future of the tournament and the sport. Former Indian cricketer Sunil Gavaskar had described Kapil Dev's 175 as the greatest one-day innings he has ever seen. As a player and as a commentator, never seen a better innings than Kapil's 175. The situation we were in versus Zimbabwe, it was cold and the ball was moving. It looked like we would be bowled out for 70 or 80. Kapil did not play any lofted drives till he reached 80. It was amazing to see him hit those sixes, Gavaskar had said. World Cup had no video coverage because the West Indies was playing Australia on that day and all the equipment had gone there. The BBC was also on strike and missed the knock. The 1983 win ushered in a new era of cricket and cricketers. Soon, victories followed. The image of the game and players changed. Players became superstars. Endorsements began to flow in. Corporates began to see a wide scope for marketing that till today has not seen a beating. As cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar says, the World Cup that Kapil Dev lifted in 1983 changed my life. When I saw that, I told myself that I'll be there someday to lift the trophy for India. Krishnamacharya Srikanth had also said in the finals, Kapil Dev's pep talk instilled belief in the team and they managed just 183. However, an inspired bowling effort and some extraordinary fielding made sure India scripted history. West Indies were bowled out for 140 and Kapil went on to lift the World Cup at the Lord's balcony, a scene that inspired many and changed India's cricket forever. Srikanth, in a recent interview to a news channel, said they did not feel that much pressure as there was everything to gain and nothing to lose scenario. Because favourites were West Indies, they were 75 and 79 champions and rockstar team dominating world cricket. So we thought it was a big deal making it to the finals itself, he had stated. 28 years later, in 2011, MS Dhoni's India would go on to lift the One Day International World Cup for the second time, beating Sri Lanka in the finals in Mumbai. Australia has won the tournament 5 times, 1987, 1999, 2003, 2007 and 2015. However, as a cricketing legend and the one to script history was not only in the hearts and minds of cricket lovers and fans, it was translated into a movie named 83. It chronicles India's win under Kapil Dev's captainship and India's first ever World Cup trophy in 1983. One of the most anticipated releases of 2020 and starring Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone, 83 was and is still put on hold hold owing to the coronavirus lockdown in the country. Directed by Kabir Khan, it is being co-produced by Deepika Padukone. Now, the new release date will be announced post the coronavirus lockdown. Well, till then, it's our own memories of the event, the reams of pages and digital spaces filled with admiration for the legendary Kapil Dev and his team that will keep refreshing our cricketing history memories. So let's celebrate this day.
नमस्कार मु सुप्रिया मोर विश्वास आपन के वीडियोटी भल लागिथिबो आमको लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को भूलंतुनी लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाई देखुथांतु ओटीवी।